I've been waiting for this for a long time. A long time.
Get out of the way! Get out of here! I'm no boxer, but I got you again. Somebody stop me. My tongue's out my mouth like Kali. God, I'm invincible. I came to conquer, I didn't come to play, no. I got gigawatts flowing through my body. Beams all up in my bloodstream. Gigawatts flowing through my body. Beams all up in my bloodstream. I can let a city up with my middle finger. Popping losers on the head, I'm the only winner. Gigawatts flowing through my body.
Look at this back. This thing is set up. Come here. Well, actually, don't know how to make the seat go down yet.
Move forward. This side.
It was built to be a truck. It has tie-down spots.
Dude.
Yeah, we cut the top off right here.
Absolutely.
And you have a truck. Yeah. Well, what we do is do a truck bed here,
Yeah.
and then you can take plywood across the back.
I haven't seen that trick before.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, look at that, dude. Does it have a tow hitch on it? We just put a tow hitch on it.
Dude. Tow hitch? You could put like a 2x2 back here. A nice piece of small sheet plywood and stuff. You know, you can do so much in here. So much.
You gotta open the glass first.
So much. Oh, this comes down?
Driving it home on a
Can we? How do you open this?
Pick up.
Oh, like that. Gotcha.
Just get in.
Dude.
See if you can fit back there.
You could go into drive-in movie and just sit.
Look, we really risked it all right there.
Yeah, we did. How's the suspension on it?
Seems pretty good.
Good?
Sure this is
I
what you
think
want?
you're really committed to it now.
Yeah, he is.
I mean, I'm committed to it.
Backflip.
Dude, look at that. They just thought of everything. It's so smart.
This guy and his puns.
This is how race car drivers get into
You
their
already paid
vehicle.
for it?
No, not yet. But, you know, we'll figure
Are
it
you
out.
gonna take that mirror off when you get in?
We'll see. This is how race car drivers get into their vehicle. Hey, will you do me a favor? Hey.
Are you ready? We don't need a radio right now.
Well, I was going to have Jaime. Okay.
Yep. Do you want to get out and I'll whip you with it?
Oh,
Jeez. Oh, mother.
to infinity.
And beyond.
I think Caleb's faking a phone call so that I'll pay for a smart car. A, it's a car. B, it's 4 wheels, windshield wipers, and it'll fit Caleb perfect. He'll have to choose which kid has to go to school each day because there's only room for one every day. But other than that, it's great.
Okay, then right here, right?
Whose signature is that?
Yeah, that's not your signature.
Guys.
Going all the way with this joke.
Smart car.
Might want to hang on to this one.
That's a good one.
That's as good as money, sir. Those are IOUs.
Hey, thanks.
Okay, Dave. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, thanks.
Guess we are proud new owners of that smart car over there.
Yeah. What was he thinking?
That's definitely a first for me.
Seems like you guys are gonna be fine, huh?
All right.
Yeah, I think you guys are gonna be good.
Bust a move and show them what I really do. Like 3, 4, kick the door and make some room and give them more. Like 5, 6, I don't miss it. Everything I do is big. So 7, 8.
You can fit anywhere too. A normal truck would have been like, oh man, that's too tight. I could fit 2 of me there.
We had to squeeze in right here.
Did you?
And we're like, man, if we had a smart car.
I squoze in and I was like, oh man, I've squozed way too tight. I need to unsqueeze a little bit.
Unsquoze?
Yeah. Dude. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of really liking that smart car. I was the coolest dad at school drop-off this morning, too.
Yeah, dude.
All the kids were like, whoa, Piper, Sailor, is that your car? Whoa, that's a cool car.
Coolest kids in school now.
Yeah.
That's how it starts, man.
And in my driveway, I have a pretty tight driveway as it is. I can probably fit 20 of those things in there. I can fit 2 normal-sized cars or 20 smart cars. Don't ask me how that math works, but it works. All right, so you guys are going to have to explain to me what you're trying to do to me here. This is forbidden zone for me. I've been taught my whole life to stay away from this.
This right here.
Symbol.
Is that the bad symbol?
Yeah, that's the run away fast symbol. I don't have much left to fade up here. I'm running on empty. This is Custard's last stand here. You know? Yeah. Hey man, we're running now. You sure you want to trim us down? Is it time for a new look? Is it time to give up on my Goldilocks? Comments below. And no, my wife's comments will always trump yours since she likes my Goldilocks. But maybe try the high fade on the side or something. Just bowl cut, mohawk.
You know, I will say, when you do the curls, I am pretty jealous of the curls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm scared. That's why I'm scared right now. To lose this. Look at you, right there watching this. Tell me the truth.
I like your shirt today.
Do I need it? Thanks, man. What Ninja Turtles? Do I need to change my look? Different haircut? The time to accept my fate and just shave the whole thing?
Gives me sparks.
Yeah. Tell me. Comments below. I'll listen. I may not act, but I will listen. Being in here, it's like, this is a new experience. It's fun. But sometimes new experiences are scary. It's an awesome vibe in here. If you guys like good vibes, you should come sit chill in here. Got a nice couch. It actually smells very pleasant in here. And you're right downtown, convenient to walk to if you live downtown. If you have a cool smart car, it fits anywhere.
I've been caught up in the slow lane for way too long. Mama wanted them training wheels on, but I was too far gone. It's like I'm in the zoo. I'll talk about the break loose. Ain't no cage contain me.
I don't know what they're doing to me. I don't get haircuts usually, so mind the nervous sweats, shakes.
Well, I mean, it's on you to tell me what we're doing.
I think just what'd you say?
Huh?
Just clean up the neckline? Is that what you want?
Yeah, we can clean some stuff up. I mean, here's the deal. His
There's not much
face,
left here.
his face has to stay more like his face. So the beard, we can't do too much with it. Maybe if
kind of
you,
get the flyaways.
I think if you get the
long ones,
flyaways, yeah.
Cool.
And then
Split ends, you know.
can we just fold this forward? So
Cover it like this?
So just a light cleanup.
yeah, sort of like clean up. Let him breathe down here a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
Diesel, no one needs to know
Nice-
what's under there.
nice man bun.
It's like your underwear. No one
How
needs to see
do
it.
you clean up around like the ears? You know, I got these little short fuzzies. Do you fade that
Dude,
into the long?
he's gonna.
Yeah, we're gonna probably just come in with either our clipper ever so lightly, or
Okay.
just some scissors. Take those down and blend them right into the beard.
Sweet.
And then back here, do you want this more or less just blocked off? Do you want a slight fade? What do you think?
What looks better? I never see it.
All right, well, we'll fade it out.
Fade it out. It's not too often people get a look under the hood of Diesel. Pull the curtains down. You really-
Just a little hand that comes out.
Get out of here! Slaps you away.
I've been caught up in the slow lane for way too long. Mama wanted them training wheels on, but I was too far gone. It's like I'm in the zoo. A tiger about to break loose. Ain't no cage contain me. You're about to know the truth. Some people doubt, can't box me out. I'm about to take on. I was born to run. I was born to run.
Thanks very much, John. I think. No. Yeah, you carry it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you guys.
Yeah. Thank you.
It feels weird to feel the wind blow like on bare skin right here. Anyway, we're really late for the yank 'em rope, guys. So we gotta
Better put it in sport
hightail
mode,
it
huh?
home. Yeah, better put it in sport mode. I look all right.
I mean, you looked great before.
Feels smooth. The shampoo and conditioner in there just making me feel really good. Oh, guess what? That's 200 south. We're not getting on the freeway right there. It's like my first time downtown.
I'll say this much. I didn't think you could get better.
Yeah,
here we
here I
are.
am.
Yeah,
Thanks,
here
man.
you are.
God. You work for them?
Yeah.
But all the the smells, the smoothness of my hair, no split ends. I feel really good. My spot's over here.
You're good. Oh, you're good.
This is the best thing we've ever done. Is it 3 o'clock yet? Oh yeah, give me one. It's 3 o'clock on the dot.
Is it really?
You're not gonna be able to get it out, are you?
Don't you just wait. Here you go, Diesel.
Thanks, man. How's it going over here, guys?
What's that?
You like it? It's like the new one wheel.
You deliver the pizza that we ordered?
Yeah, pizza, whatever you want.
Can we use that to move around the shop too?
Oh yeah, it's like the one wheel.
Oh, the exhaust is like under there,
Wait, can you
dude.
guys pick this thing up?
It's really hot.
Yeah,
Why is it so hot?
that's way hot.
Right on the side.
Okay.
Ready?
But
1, 2, 3. Nope, we're not strong. We need the muscle.
why'd you stop?
Because I I failed.
I was just get going. Let's go. Come on, man.
You just keep going.
1.
I'm lifting already.
No. 1. You were short. 1, 2, 3.
Well, kinda.
Where?
Move out. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I felt some there. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, nice.
This is dope right here. Dude, everyone just starts making it more difficult. I mean,
right,
what do
gentlemen.
you think of this, dude?
Yeah.
I think it's great.
Did you guys like it?
Did you? I mean, are you guys happy with your purchase?
I'll be honest. I was skeptical at first. Never in my life did I think I'd be buying a smart car. And granted, I didn't. Caleb bought it. But I didn't think I'd be part of it. And I am impressed with the sheer gumption of this vehicle.
I love it.
Yeah, it gets up, goes fast. We did 90 on the freeway. Unless you're a cop, then we did 70.
Yeah, you can't prove anything.
Yeah, you can't prove it. Maybe you can. With,
I don't know.
I think us admitting it on the video right there is probably...
you admitted it.
It was a 90 mile an hour speed limit zone we were in. So anyway, it gets up to speed. It's agile. I mean, we went under a horse trailer through the bay. You didn't have to clear any of the vehicles out of the bay to get around. It's, I dare say, more agile than the one wheel.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm good with it.
yeah. It hasn't bucked me off yet, so.
I mean, we park in the one wheel parking.
Yeah.
So that's kind of nice.
It came with a full tank. I'm willing to bet the way we were driving, we're probably still getting like 30 miles a gallon.
Yep. Dude, I love it. Moonroof. You got plenty of space. I got more space in here than your Jeep.
Stop
I'm
it.
sorry. I'm not gonna lie. Okay?
Make the smart choice.
Get a passion.
Get a passion.
And if you get a flat tire, you can just swap in your bike tires for it, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that
Unless
is
you're really
a
praying
plus.
that we don't. See you tomorrow. I'm going to pick up my kids.
Okay, sounds
I'm going to
good.
take you up front still, so don't
Yeah,
get
can
out.
you take me out front? Yeah, thanks.
All right. Check you later.
Make the smart choice.
Maybe I'll put it in bark. Make the smart choice.
Get a passion.
See you tomorrow.
so.